Live from the world's capital markets, here are the latest financial headlines brought to you by News Factory.
Hello and welcome to Monday's Daily Financial Review. Here's what's making the headlines in the markets today.
The dollar-yen pair traded sideways in the last session. According to the stochastic RSI, we are in an oversold market. The Bitcoin-dollar pair dropped 0.2% in the last session, after rising as much as 1.2% during the session. The ROC is giving a negative signal. The Aussie-dollar pair traded sideways in the last session. The MACD is giving a positive signal. The oil-dollar pair dove 1.5% in the last session. The Williams indicator indicates an oversold market.
Coming up, the choices from our chief analysts for today.
Physical gold demand in India remained subdued last week, despite a slight correction in prices, as buyers awaited an even bigger drop, while Chinese premiums slipped for the second straight week due to sluggish holiday demand. Oil prices settled lower to end last week and posted their steepest weekly loss in 3 months, as investors weighed weak US jobs data and possible timing of a Federal Reserve interest rate cut. The dollar fell to a 3-week low against the yen, after data showed US jobs growth slowed more than expected in April, and annual wage gains cooled, boosting bets that the Federal Reserve will cut rates twice this year.
Those were today's major economic events. And now, moving on to world financial headlines.
The US 3-month bill auction will be released at 15:30 GMT. The US 6-month bill auction at 15:30 GMT. Spain's unemployment change at 7 GMT. The Eurozone's producer price index will be released at 9 GMT. The UK's BRC like-for-like retail sales at 23:01 GMT. China's Cakes in Services PMI at 1:45 GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed Monday's financial review. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to join us tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.